Hey, so this is you guys' website. I am looking at it. You don't have that much content. You have some photos on there, but you only have 366 words of content. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. Google can find keywords. It finds more keywords with the more content you have, as well as it helps boost your ranking. Next thing would be images. So you want this to be saved as a keyword. So you want like roof or metal roofing Atlanta or metal roofing Macon or whatever keyword you want to rank for. Let's go check out metal roofing Atlanta. So first there'd be ads up here. Then you got the GMB. Then you got the organic ranking. Taking this top guy, looking at his website. So this guy, he has his web page is all linked up. So he's got a ton of content on his one page. Basically, it's an interesting way to do it, but it comes out to be 5,319 words of content. So that's basically on his whole website. That's going to give him a lot of keywords that Google can find, as well as help boost his ranking. So you can add more content to your website. The more content, the better. You can't ever have too much. Let's see what this guy does for his images. He doesn't do it. Web home serving. That didn't. I don't think he does it right. Yeah, I mean he names them, but he doesn't name them with keywords. So it's a missed opportunity on his part. Where you can, now that you can go do that for yours, and you can it can help boost your ranking. And Google, it doesn't see what the photo is, but it sees what it's saved as, and then it gives you a keyword based on what the photos are saved as, if that makes sense. Let's go put you into Ahrefs, a cool tool I like to use. You don't have a UR score or a DR score. You got 2 backlinks, 1 referring domain, and 2 keywords you're ranking for. Let's see what the keywords are. It's just your name. And so yeah, you don't really have much going on there. We can show you what your backlinks are if you want. It's probably just from yourself would be my guess, or site links, whatever this is. Yeah, it just looks like a directory. Let's plug this guy in. So this guy doesn't have that good of a DR score. His UR score is also not all that good. He's only got 10 and a 0.1. He's got 513 backlinks, 41 referring domains, 789 keywords, and he gets about 2 people to his website a month. This is just estimated, so obviously he gets a little bit more when it comes to that. I'm not sure why he was up there on the top of the results. This tool is not perfect, so it probably just missed that one keyword, and probably maybe some other ones too. But when it comes to backlinks, we can see where he's getting them. You want to go after, not all backlinks to create equal. You want to go after high DR and high UR score ones. You also want them to be relevant to your industry. You want to go after construction. You don't want to go after like fast food or deep sea diving or or fishing. You don't want to go after or golf. You'd want to go after ones that are relevant to your industry. But we can come here, see what this is. It's an Atlanta guidebook. So I'm guessing this is just an ad. It could be a directory, but I believe this is just an ad. But yeah, I mean, you can come see what ones he has. That one wasn't all that good of a score anyways. This one's a little better. And this is just a directory. So if you like some, you can go after them. You can go check out other ones. I would go check out other ones personally. I don't think this guy has that good of backlinks. I don't think his website's all that good either. I'm not sure why he was ranking so good with that one keyword. There it is. It's right there. So something's kind of goofy. Up here, it looks like he only gets 2 people, but he actually gets quite a bit more when you can actually come in here and look. Different backlinks you can go for. There's guest posts, there's blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles. There's other ones too, citation directories. You can Google for them. You can go find all your competition and copycat them and go after the ones that they have, the good ones that are not spammy and that are relevant to industry. So let's check out this guy's backlinks. Obviously, that the traffic was messed up on the other page because this guy's getting 31 a month just for this metal roofing Atlanta. There's 100 people that search that a month. 4 KD. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. 4 KD is pretty easy to get. Versus this 22, it's going to take a lot longer. There's roofing materials. Let's see. Here you go, making a metal roof. 250, 1 KD. So that's super easy to rank for. Really nice volume on that one. Metal roofing Georgia. This one's going to take a lot longer to go for, so I'd go after that one and that one first for sure. Metal roofing Augusta, Georgia. 100 volume, 0 KD. Even easier to rank for, and got a good volume there. Atlanta metal roof. Atlanta metal roofing. Metal roofing, Macon, Georgia, 80 and 0. Metal roofing Savannah, 40 and 0. There's a lot of them. Albany. I'm not entirely sure where you're based, but it looked like you're around Atlanta, around Macon. But there's plenty of cities around. You can come check out all the ones and go after those ones and start getting that traffic to yourself and getting new clients and leads. We can go check out other competition too and find other keywords and check out all this guy's pages. He got 16 pages of keywords that he's ranking for. Next thing would be this GMB. So if you don't have one, set one up. I actually went with this guy. I don't know why that guy's there. It's based on location. So this guy is just it's goofy that he's up there, but he's probably closer to where I live, and Google's putting him first. But I grabbed this guy. You want to make sure you have it 100% set up. When you set it up, you don't want to skip steps, and then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos, the better. The photos with the content for your GMB. Then you want to get citations. Citations are directories. You want to make sure your name is the same on your GMB as it is on your directory. The phone number is the same, and your location is the same. Plug in this guy, and he's got 67 citations, so he's got quite a few. So you'd want to beat him at that. This thing finds about 80% of them, so he probably has like 90 or more citations. You can also get social profile citations, which is like Facebook, Reddit. Sorry, not Reddit. Twitter and Pinterest. And then BBB, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those ones for just citations. You can get all these ones as well. You can Google for more. There's a whole bunch of them out there. There's thousands of them. Hopefully, it takes time. It's time consuming to get them, but it's something you can definitely do and start ranking for your GMB. Hopefully this helps. If you want, we can talk more. If not, thanks for watching. I would love to get some feedback on what you thought of this video. I hope you have a good rest of your night. Thanks for watching.